Do you think you should be able to go somewhere, and if there's a group of people speaking Spanish, you should be able to directly target them due to the Spanish that they're speaking?
Well,
they are
so that's not
profiling people based on their language, their skin color, and things. That's what I'm saying.
But what you just said was race, speaking a foreign language in an enclave that's segregated from the mainstream community, speaking in their own way. Well, now you got like 5 different touch points. Yes, I would say Tom Homan, round him up.
Here's the problem. The Trump administration has admitted they have done illegal deportations. When they brought back Kilmar Armando Abrego Garcia...
Kilmar Abrego, give me a break.
Wait.
This gangster from Maryland, the Democrat Senator Chris Van Hollen, love of his life.
Wait a minute. If he's a gangster, why did the Trump administration bring him back?
He's being prosecuted right now in the United States.
Why did they bring him back?
Because some 2-bit federal judge made him do it, so now he's being prosecuted here.
Because some 2-bit federal judge...
Why would they agree if it was just... Trump always disagrees with judges. Why would he bring him back? It's
because Trump's not a tyrant like you people always say that he is. He follows the law, he listens to the courts, and he works within the system of laws.